Good day everyone, welcome. Want to legally buy China's digital currency, the e-CNY or digital yuan? Well, in this quick guide, I'll explain how to access it from outside China. So first, it's important to understand that China's digital yuan is not like crypto. It's issued and fully controlled by the People's Bank of China, and its use is heavily regulated. So if you're in China, you can download the official e-CNY app from Huawei or from Huawei App Gallery, Xiaomi Market, or Apple App Store, region set to China, of course. You'll need to link it to a Chinese phone number and bank account. Foreigners visiting China can legally use the e-CNY by linking the app to International Visa or MasterCard inside supported tourist zones like Beijing or Shanghai. This method was piloted for events like the 2022 Olympics and continues to expand. Buy it directly as well. If you're outside of China, there's no legal method to directly purchase digital yuan unless you're involved in a cross-border trade or working with a Chinese bank in a test region like Hong Kong. So avoid crypto platforms claiming to sell this currency, and they are not legitimate and may be scams. Guys, that's your legal overview on buying this digital currency of China. Stay safe, follow official channels, and avoid unofficial sellers. Like and subscribe for more verified finance tech guides. See you next time.